Wow. Was mir die Tage aber nicht verloren. Das war immer das Schlimmste gewesen.
Bill collector knocking at the door. Baby mama yelling in my ear. Honestly, a lot is going on. Only thing is I don't really care. People wonder how I keep a smile. Tell them it's cause I don't give a fuck. I've been in my slippers for a while. Even all my haters show me love, yeah. I just wish I'm well though. Hope you getting money. Hope you doing well, bro. Heard your sister love me. I'm in Colorado. Do not fucking add me. I've been on vacation, cause I need it badly. Hotel California, my escape. Pulling up in Mexico with New York City plates. Ayy, neighbors want a photo when I visit where I stay. Ayy, if you talking drama, get the fuck up out my face. Ayy, dodging bad vibes like skirt. Drama on my line like skirt. Left it in the cash like skirt. Get into the bag like skirt. Skirt, 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 skirt. People really think my life is perfect. Maybe cause I'm laughing through the worst shit. Yeah, I know the devil is a lie, but the way that I've been moving got him nervous. Mac, I hope you know you did your thing. Get your rest cause homie, you deserve it. Ocean always deeper than it seems. People only looking at the surface.
Oh, it's hot. Oh.